Hello students, dear student friends. Now we are going to see one of the important concept in equivalence relation, that is equivalence class. Let R be an equivalence relation on a set A and the small a belongs to A. Then the equivalence class of A, the small a, is denoted by, this is a square bracket A or A bar, and is defined by equivalence class containing A or equivalence class of A is equal to B belongs to A such that A is R related to B. This is a set containing all elements B in A such that A is R related to B. Means what? This is a set containing all elements which are related to, all elements belongs to A which are related to the element A. Suppose B is R related to A, then B comes in this equivalence class of A. If R is an equivalence relation, then it is defined by, it is denoted by, this is a still symbols. It is a notation for equivalence relation, and if A is R related to B, or then R is replaced by this equivalent, then it is read as A is equivalent to B. Then it is read as A is equivalent to B. For example, do you understand what is equivalence class of A? If R is an equivalence relation, then it is denoted by this. Then if A is R related to B, then A it is pronounced as, or it is called as A is equivalent to B. A is equivalent to B. Consider an example here. A relation R on a set A is equal to ABC. Let R is equal to AA, BB, CC, AB and BA. This is a simple relation on the set A. This is an equivalence relation. This relation is an equivalence relation. Why this relation is an equivalence relation? Why this relation is an equivalence relation? See here, this is a relation on this set A. So each element AA, BB and CC are related to each other. That is the ordered pair AA, BB and CC are in R, and this is reflexive. This is symmetrical. So because AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. AA belongs to R, AA belongs to R. So this is symmetric, and this is transitive also. AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R, AA belongs to R, BA belongs to R, AB belongs to R, AA belongs to R. So this is an equivalence relation. So this R is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Therefore, we can find equivalence class of each element in a set A. Equivalence class containing A is equal to, this is by definition, all elements B belongs to A for which A is R related to B. So which elements are R related to B? Or A comma B belongs to R. Which elements are R related to B? So A is related to A here, and A is related to B. A comma B belongs to R means what? A is R related to B. So A is R related to A, so A comes here, and also this B is R related to A. So B also comes in this equivalence class of A. What is equivalence class of B? Equivalence class of B means what? A set of all elements. I have written A here for your understanding. A set of all elements A belongs to A for which B is R related to A. Means what? The elements which are related to B comes in under this equivalence class of A. So find out which elements are R related to B. see here, the element B itself is R related to B, so B comes in this class, and the element A is R related to B, so B comes in this class. That is BA equal. That is the set BA is equal to the set AB. This is equal to this. This is same as the equivalence class of A. What is the equivalence class of C then? Which elements are related to C? Only C is related to C. So the equivalence class of C. In the next lecture, we will see more on equivalence classes. Thank you, students.